Hello again. Here I fixing the Kubeadm, the Kubernetes, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, this is deactivated successfully, and I want to see the such a process with the journalctl and kubelet. Okay, I opened two terminal with the Terminator. Since I couldn't get it a snapshot restore, and I don't have the backup, and I opened the ChatGPT and asked for the solutions and fix. Okay, here we are in the ChatGPT page, and he asked me, do you want me to walk you through the wipe and recreate route? That's the nuclear option. I said, yeah. Just for 10 seconds. Okay, we'll go full nuclear wipe the cluster etc data directory and let the control plane static pod recreate a fresh single node etcd. This will destroy all cluster state, namespaces, deployments, secrets, CRS, etc. If you want anything preserved, you must back it first. Okay, quick plan. What I'll ask you to run. Okay, since it's the first time I was using the Kubernetes and the Kubeadm, and I make 3 partitions for the Docker and Kubernetes and GitLab. Okay. As this video is for the educational, a final warning here. This deletes all Kubernetes control plane data. If you change your mind, stop and say so now. Otherwise, proceed. Okay, first check container runtime and kubelet status. I just copy paste the command and active and running. So we do the second command. Kubelet service is loaded but inactive. That. This is a ChatGPT 5. If container is not active, but the container is active, we should fix the kubelet not agent loaded, but the service is inactive or dead. We go as ChatGPT for this and copy paste all the outputs and send. Okay, error in message streams. I should retry. Since the kubelet is inactive for that. Oh my god. It's consume my processor and memory. I use the KVM virtual machine for the Linux or Unix or GNU GNU virtualizations. Okay, since my computer is I have used the maybe low end PC or low end laptop or something, I can tell. Okay, it's consume 10 seconds CPU time in some lines were okay. I don't know what this happened. It stopped for a few seconds. I should exit. I should exit the browser because it's consume my random access memory or RAM, and I restart the browser again. Okay, go to the first before is I was installing the server in the KPM with fears or whatever, something I couldn't get it, but here we are in help of ChatGPT. Okay, he said nice, Kubernetes currently stop and inactive, that's fine. It's safe state for the new can recreate. Okay, step by step command to completely reset the etcd and bring the control plane back. Run each block past output if anything fails. Okay, we just copy the command and paste to the terminal. Here the container is active and backup the etcd. Do not skip if you might need data later. Okay, we should make directory in the, we clear the shell and we make directory in the var and backups. Okay, we have to back up the configuration. Okay, connection is closed. No, I have to back the third viewer. Okay, Ubuntu server. Okay, now we have to enter and user one password. Okay, we go back to the, we have to enable the SSH access to the local host, and I don't know how to do it, and I asked ChatGPT to do that. Okay, the SSH is closed. Is thinking. Get for a quick answer. Come on, come on, show me the information to fix. Oh, you should restart the browser and open it again. ChatGPT, check persistent setup. This is when I was installing the servers. Oh, it got crashed. Okay. For your information or educational, I exit the browser again and open it again. I go back to the prompts or chats. Come on, okay. You can see the the fix for the Kubernetes with Kubeadm. It's what should I say for it? Kubeadm is lightweight Kubernetes. Okay, here I configure the Kubeadm with the partitions of the server, Docker, Kubernetes, and GitLab. Okay, here the solutions, I think, for you who having a similar issue or same issues like me, maybe this will help. Okay, and drop me a comment for the prompts I use, and because the SSH is closed now, I don't know how to tell. Oh my god, because the SSH is closed. This is a fix for the SSH closed. Once you have console access, immediate check and fixes. Okay, IP IDDR. No, I won't do that for this video. And for your educational video, and drop me a comments below what to do and how to do it. If you have the same issues already, or I hope someone or everybody have experience at using the Kubernetes and Linux. Here's the output from the terminal: systemctl status kubelet and -- no dash pager kubelet service, and kubelet is currently stopped inactive. That's fine. It's safe state for the new can recreate steps. Before I give the exact comments to run now, quick checklist and a question. Did you already move VRLib/etcd to backup location? If not, do that now. I'll include the comments below. If you want me to proceed, run the comments step by step. I recommend step by step so we can inspect output. If you want the single block script, instead say single block. Okay, here's the video for the educational. I hope someone or everybody who knows the fix or the solution for these issues or these problems just drop me a comments below. Thanks for watching this video.